Hey, what's up guys, hope you're doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about a new update that is available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and a new beta 3 update for the OneUI 8 is also available. So today in this video we will talk about both of these updates. Starting off with the first update that is available for all the users. So for that you will have to go into the settings of your device, and after going into the settings you have to scroll all the way down and tap on security and privacy. From here you have to scroll down and tap on updates, then you have to tap on Google Play System Update. So the Google Play System Update was on the July 1st 2025. Now I have got the new August update. The update is already downloaded. You just have to simply tap on restart now to install the update. Keep in mind that you will be unable to use your device during the installation process, so install it when your device is completely free. So that now the update is downloaded and installed, you will get to see that your Google Play System update is on the latest August 1st 2025. Further, if we talk about the beta update, so the beta 3 update is now out. According to Turn Words, you will get to see the beta 3 update very soon on your device. So keep checking for the software update as it is available in Korea. Now soon it will be available in your other regions as well. If we talk about the official release, so the official update will be released in the month of September on 25. According to the rumors, 25 September is a date when the OneUI 8 officially will be released for the devices who cannot update it to the beta version. As the beta version is only limited to some countries, so the devices that are not eligible for the beta version, that will have to wait for the official update. I really hope that the OneUI 8 official update will be released really soon. So with that hope, that's a wrap for today's video. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.